Alright, time for the eyes. They come with sparkly discs that go on the back of the post to make the eyes shiny. And the backings. They go onto the eye post and lock the eyes in place. Count the rounds starting with the first one until you reach around 8. Between rounds 8 and 9, pick any stitch and insert an eye into it. From the first eye, count 5 stitches to the other side. Insert the second eye next to the 5th stitch. Make sure the eyes look symmetrical. Adjust if needed. Every plushie comes out slightly different. Once you're happy with the placement, snap the backing on. The eye will sit deeper in the fabric. After locking both eyes, they will move slightly closer together, so don't place them too narrowly at the start. Now that the eyes are in, it's time to add the stuffing. Grab the fluffy stuffing from the pouch. Take a piece, fluff it up, and remove any clumps. Start laying it inside the plush bit by bit until the plushie feels full. Complete the rest of the rounds for this step. In the next step, you will learn how to fasten it off.